Manishtanishe, Manishtanish, Shay, Manishtanish, Manishtanish, Shay, Manishtanish, 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 Shay. Manishtanish, Manishtanish, Manishtanish. Well, Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, and I'm here today. I'm here to say, Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, yeah, yeah. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Oh, wow, that was a good job. Miigwech. Okay then. Bonjour, Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to Bonjour Nana Bonjour. I am your host, Nana Bonjour, and I am his co-host, Manishtanish Shane. Manishtanish Shane. That's pretty good. Okay, well, let's see. I'm happy to be here today. Maybe that should be our word. I'm happy to be here today. That's more than a word. That's a whole sentence. Oh, yeah. Okay, well then, this is your Ojibwe sentence for today. I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Wingdom, Oma Noon Goom. Very good. Neiman Wingdom, Oma Noon Goom. I'm happy to be here today. And, are you happy to be here today? Oh, yeah, absolutely. I love being on the podcast. I love to sing. La 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 la. You know, we should try harmonizing. No, let's just do the podcast. Okay. Yeah, so Neiman Wingdom, Oma Noon Goom. I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Wingdom, Oma Noon Goom. I'm happy to be here today. Oh, what? Okay, well, that's pretty good. You got anything else to add? Nagamunda, let's sing. Okay, that's all I got. Okay. Okay, well, hey, you've been watching Bonjour Nana Bonjour, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Bonjour, and I'm happy you're watching today. I'll see you again. Gigawabamin, Min, Minawa. Gigawabamin, Min, Minawa. Yeah! Is that helping? Doesn't hurt.